Hey, welcome to Tech Jeff. This video is talking about how to get an audience using Discord. So the first thing you're going to do is join my server. It's going to be in the link. And what this server does, it helps you by promoting your videos, and other server members will like, comment, and just engage with your videos. If they like it, they'll tell you what they like. If they don't like it, they'll tell you what they don't like it. So the way you do it, when you join, you first have to verify. You click verify and you have to go to self roles. Once you go to self roles, you got to choose all the things that fit you: age, gender, time zone, your favorite color, and what type of pings do you want. Do you want to be pinged for active? Do you want to be pinged for events? And finally, the most important, your socials. Are you a Twitch streamer, YouTuber, or just a supporter? Once you're done, you should read the rules. The rules are going to be updated, and if you read all of it, there will be no problems by the moderators. Finally, how to use. The server is pretty simple. The server has maybe 3 or 4 commands. Top to see how many points you have, post to post, and content is to post other contents beside YouTube. All right, now this is what we're going to do. For you to get points, you need to go to YouTube Engage and actually watch a video. So we're going to watch, whose video we're going to watch? I've been watching a lot of people's videos.
Today,
Let's watch Mindset of AJ's video. You click it.
I want to answer a question that I've had for a while. In GTA San Andreas, we all know Ryder betrayed the Grove.
Now, we will have to watch 60% of it, but due to me making a video right now, I'm not going to wait and just watch all of it right now. I'm going to watch it,
But was he actually
like
meant to
it,
betray the Grove?
and comment in the background. You do that after you watch all of it. So, once we're done with that, we're going to click the react. Now, once you finish clicking the react, you will get 1 point. But for your point to count, you have to basically show proof. How do you show proof? The way you show proof is by going to screenshot, or for you snipping tool, or take a picture screenshot that you liked it. This again is just that I'm just showing you. So watch 60% of the video, show you that you liked it. And once you're done with that, you save here. And you go to send proof. You show proof and the moderators won't, bother you. So again, I'm watching this video in the background, but again, I'm making a YouTube video. And now you posted, now you have points. You need 5 points to post something. For you to do that is for you to post something, you go to bot commands. And bot commands, you type in !post and you type in the video you want to post. So let's use his video. Once you post here, you can see in YouTube Engage, the bot will post a video where other people can like and also subscribe if they want and view your content. Now you want to know how many points you have. A command is top. Now top, we'll go to the leaderboard and it says Odin has 16 points, or whoever's name has 16 points. There are a lot of things that are going to be created in the future, so please bear in mind. Of course, be in general chat as much as possible so you can talk to me and maybe we can see what I can add more to the server. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a great day.